Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are given the reflexed angle AOB as seen in the diagram. And the arc ACB. Oh, they give me the arc. This one is 24 cm. Okay. Find the radius of this circle given an arc length. So this one comes back to the definition, how we find arc length. But before that, the radius of the circle, it will be great if we could let people know that we are going to use a letter R. To be the radius of the circle. Okay, this is for a good presentation. Then I will know that 315 divided by 360 degree. If I multiply by 2 pi r, this one will give me an arc length, and my arc length in this case is given as 24. So from here, right, then I will be able to get my R already. Okay? So to find my R, then it will be simply my 24. I'm going to divide by 315 over 360. And I'm also going to divide by my 2 pi. Meaning I'm going to divide by this, divide by this. So I'm only left with R on the left hand side, and this will give me a value of 4.3654 to about 5 significant figures. 4.37 cm to 3SF. Okay, so part A done. Part B, find the perimeter of the minor sector OAB. Minor. OAB, then they want perimeter. So this means that OAB. They want to find this. So for part B, right? Now that we know the radius, I could then find my arc length AB first. And I do need this angle, yeah? Okay, so at the start, it will be good if you can write angle AOB is equals to 360 degree minus my 315 to give me 45 degrees. So I will have 45 divided by 360 times 2 pi r. And I now do have my r. What is my r? 4.3654. And this will give me a value of, and this will give me, do take note of what Mr. Tan did. Mr. Tan lived in terms of pi. For a reason. Because this is not the final answer. Okay? So this is a special tip. So now I know this is 1.09135 pi. And I also know the number for R. Right? So my R and my R and my arc length AB, that will give us the perimeter. So final answer, perimeter of sector AOB, of minor sector, would then be equals to 1.09135 pi plus my radius 4.3654. How many are there? 2. 4.3654. This will give me a value of about 12.15 9 to about 5 significant figure. Final answer 12.2 cm. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.